Girl Bella.
Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a trying new makeup, and I wanted to start off with my complexion. So as you know, I got this wonderful PR package from Urban Decay. It is their new Face Bond Triple Power Foundation. It's said to last 24 hours. It's made with niacinamide. It's a medium coverage, and it has a serum-like texture that is supposed to improve the look and feel of your skin. They have 40 shades. I'm going to show you all the different shades that they have. 40 shades. There's 3 ways to apply. You can do full coverage using your fingers. You can do medium coverage with your favorite foundation brush, or you can do a light coverage using your favorite beauty sponge. So they were kind enough to send me not only 2 shades to try out, but also one of their all-nighter sprays. Now, I love the Urban Decay setting sprays. That was one of the first setting sprays that I ever used when I first really seriously started wearing makeup. So it's kind of like going back home again. This is the #1 setting spray. It has been Allure's Best of Beauty several times, most recently last year in 2023. And they did send me the Extra Glow Long Lasting Setting Spray. So this is perfect for the summer, and this is one that I haven't tried yet. So I am excited to try that. Let's look at the foundations. Now, I shared this with you when I did my PR haul, and they sent me 2 shades. One in 30 medium deep warm and one in 33 deep neutral. So we're going to swatch both of these. First, we're going to try the 30. Is a patent pending no mess dropper. Here's what it looks like. So it's perfect to carry with you if you are going on vacation or anything like that. Oh, I love the dropper. Put a little drop. So here's where I put it. So it is blending in really, really nicely. We'll check on deep neutral, number 33. Another brush for that. This is what that looks like. So let me just try it out. Again, we'll do the same thing that I did on this side. I'll put a drop on my brush, and then I'm just going to go over it here on this side. 30 is going to be good for me right now. If I gotten much more darker, I could probably get away with the 33 neutral, but I didn't get a lot of sun as I usually do. So I'm going to go over the face with the same brush that I used for that drop, and I'm going to use my brush to just put the product all over the face and then brush it in using this brush. And I gotta tell you, it melts in so nicely. First impressions, this is really, really beautiful. It's giving me a nice, even coverage. It is, there's no fragrance. There's no heavy feeling. It feels very, very light on the skin, and it's moving across my skin with the brush very, very nicely. And I love that it's giving me like a healthy glow to the skin too. And again, you don't need a lot of this product, which is always a plus for me, especially in the summertime. You don't want to put a whole lot of product on your face when it's hot and sticky out, because you're just gonna feel miserable as you go along your day. But something like this, which is so light and airy, I am loving. Okay, babe, so I love this coverage. It is already like set on my skin. I don't feel any stickiness. I don't feel anything with this coverage. Absolutely right about can't feel coverage. This is really beautiful on the skin. All right, so we know that the one that I used was number 30. Medium, deep, warm. So if you are a shade match to me, this is the one that I think works best for my skin tone, and that is 30 medium, deep, warm in the Face Bond foundation. Now I'm just going to put the rest of my makeup on, and we'll be back with final thoughts. Okay, babe, so I am back, and I have to say, I am loving this Urban Decay Face Bond. Gave you a little bit of a glamour look today. Don't usually do this, but I just felt inspired because I love this foundation. It is also waterproof. I don't know if I had mentioned that to you. And it has up to 24 hours of coverage. So if you're going out for the day, maybe you're going to the beach and you just wanted to put a little bit of foundation on, this would be something that I would reach for. It's very portable, so you can throw it into your makeup bag and it's not going to be bulky or take up a lot of space. I would also travel with this for the same reason as well. I just want to thank the people over at Urban Decay for sending this over to me. And you know, we can't go without a little glow. So let's put on the all-nighter, and this is the Glow formula. And like I said, Urban Decay all-nighter was my very first setting spray. I love it. Oh, it feels so good on the skin too. Very, very nice. So again, thank you so much to Urban Decay for choosing me and sending me this wonderful product and the setting spray. I know I'm gonna hang on to this 33 because who knows, I might be, you know, going away and I might get a little darker, so you never know. So I will hold on to the 33 Deep Neutral just in case. But the one that I'm wearing right now, and the one that I think I would get the most use out of, is this one, which is number 30 Medium Deep Warm. So that is the one that I am currently wearing on my skin. If you are a shade match to me, that is the one that you should get, number 30. But thank you again. I hope this was very enjoyable for you all my babes out there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And if you're new and you like what I do, don't forget to hit me up by signing up for BrownGirlBella. Subscribe to the channel, and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload, post, or go live. Until I see you babes again, you have now been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.